Precious. Hey, this is our rescue parrot. Yes, Jacob found him outside at a playground and he brought him home, and we're excited to have him. We've had him about 7 months. We've never had a bird, so we're doing our best to love him. And we do let him fly. He flies all over the house, and then he sleeps in the cage at night and goes in the cage to play with his toys and eat. And he goes in and out, so that's good. Hey, Precious. Hi, what are you doing, big guy? So handsome. So handsome. I know you love to fly on the camera, don't you? You know you're so handsome. You do.